Hi, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and finally, organizing can be so much fun. If you want to store things around your house and declutter at the same time, my big tip is to reuse what you already have. I've taken some stained depression glass and I've reused it all over the house. For example, in the bathroom, I use the plate to keep my hairsprays on. I use for the ear swabs. Even the dental floss goes right in a little cup. Toothpaste, well, it's in a creamer or a sugar bowl. And hairbrushes in what used to be a canister for flour or sugar. Jump to the office. I've got paper clips in one of the candy dishes, and more of the canisters are being used for things like rubber bands, pens, or other little binder clips. They look beautiful and they're totally functional. Finally, in the kitchen, I've got my oatmeal in a canister that it's meant to be in, and fish food. Don't eat it, but it's super beautiful to look at. So you can organize and store items beautifully. Good luck. I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and you can visit me at DorothyTheOrganizer.com.